Need to transfer money from Forex card to your bank account? Here's a quick and easy guide. First of all, check the available balance on your Forex card using the provider's app or by calling customer service. Next, review the exchange rate and transfer fees. Providers may charge a fixed fee or a percentage of the amount you transfer. Now, request a transfer either online through the provider's website or app or offline by calling customer care. Enter your bank account details, including account number, holder name, and IFSC code. Double check to avoid errors. Confirm your transfer by entering the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email. Now just wait. Transfers can take a few hours to a few days depending on your provider. Track your status via the app or customer support. And that's it. Your money is on its way to your bank account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.